What's up? It's your boy AD, and that's all day. Finna talk about some real stuff like I always do. You feel me? I'm in the spot. Man, oh man. Today I'm finna talk about YouTubers. YouTube and YouTubers. I'm finna talk about them because it's like I try my best to just be calm on these videos. Sometimes I get a little angry, I get a little pissed off, because I like YouTube, because I just like it, because to me, it's like a good vent spot. You want to vent, come up on here before you go vent off on somebody else, right? But man, this video basically is about YouTubers, though, and people on YouTube thinking this is a job. I mean, ever since 2017 came around, and ever since YouTube started, cutting people's ads, cutting people's revenues, cutting people's ties to their money. I mean, I've never seen so many people just come out of the blue and just be like, yeah, y'all, we can't even make videos no more because we're not getting paid through YouTube and they're not giving us our money, and YouTube is so bogus and they're this and that, and now we can't even do anything because YouTube not paying us for our videos. And it's just so frustrating to me because it just proves how people do not understand what's really going on, and people care too much about people that don't care about them. Like, just think about this. You got people on YouTube wanting to get paid for normal crap that they do. Okay? I hear people on YouTube coming out bitching and complaining about not making revenue for normal shit you do in your life. What the fuck? I could do a lot of shit too. You know what I'm saying? But just because I'm not getting paid for them don't mean I'm a bitch and complain. I'm gonna do what makes me happy. I do things because it makes me happy and because I like to do them. I don't do things because, oh shit, I want to get paid. Now I understand we gotta pay our bills, but that's what a real job or a real business is for. YouTube is some bullshit. It makes no motherfucking sense how people can come on this fucking platform, do barely nothing, but get paid hella money from other people. And these people that's paying them don't even know that those YouTubers don't give a fuck. You're basically paying people who would never give you money. You're basically paying people who would never help you if you was broke, who would never do anything for you. You're basically paying people who not are even out here working real jobs, doing real things to better the world and the people around them. You got YouTubers out here like literally doing stupid nut shit, literally doing nothing. You got YouTubers out here just sitting in front of your face. I mean, I know YouTubers. Now, this ain't me getting jealous. Because I know some motherfuckers, it be like, oh, AD jealous. He not getting nothing. Nah, fuck that. Because I know it's stupid. And I know being like this is not going to help you YouTubers. Relying too much on YouTube, this easy lifestyle, and relying too much on people handing you things is what's going to be your damn downfall in life. And that's why so many of them are coming out now bitching and complaining because they put too much effort into something that was never supposed to support you. Shouldn't be putting all your eggs in one basket anyways. That's just common sense. And why would you put it in YouTube? Like I said, there's people out here working real jobs, grinding 12-hour shifts, fucking hard ass jobs, man. It's people out here putting their fucking life on the line at work just to get a paycheck, to still get taxes took out their check, to not even make a quarter of what certain YouTubers make or some YouTubers can make in a fucking month. Not even make a quarter of that. I'm getting tired of these YouTubers coming out. Oh man, this is a real job. This is my life. This is what I'm doing. Blah blah. Like yeah, because it's so fucking easy and you getting that easy ass money. You know how lying. Most people are liars and evil, and they'll never tell you what they own anyways. It's so easy to know what people are thinking and doing based off what they do and how they act. If they complain about this, and this and that, and knowing damn and trying to act like YouTube is a real job, that just means that they're lazy and they just want your fucking money. Plain and simple. They don't want to go out there and work a real job and stress. They want to work in the comfort of their own home behind their computer where they can literally do whatever they want and make more money than you. I mean, let's be honest. A lot of these Patreon and people giving these people money are kids that aren't even intelligent enough to understand that this YouTube lifestyle is not a real fucking job. I think one of the main reasons why YouTube is starting to cut y'all down and cut y'all money, y'all, which they can do. I mean, they can do whatever they want. It's their company. It's their job. It's mighty strange how y'all so quick to say, "Oh, this is a real job," but you want to know who really is working on for YouTube? The people that actually get paid by YouTube that work for them behind the scenes. Those are the people that have real YouTube jobs, not you. You're just someone who got on the internet and got lucky. You know, got lucky, got some attention. You might as well call it luck. All these people in the earth in the world, you see, it's hell of people out here that can barely even get 100 views. So you must be lucky. And most people only fucking choose people on YouTube based off what the fuck they got anyways. You ever notice that? Most of the people that get all the attention in life be people that got money and shit. And people that got shit. And people love to try to live their lives through other people. You know, y'all ain't doing nothing but encouraging living bullshit ass lives off other people's money. I mean, just think about this. I mean, okay, we understand it's a little challenging to put videos together and edit them and do stuff like that, but it still ain't nothing compared to a real fucking job, and you still getting paid way more money. And what are you editing and putting it together? It's probably some bullshit that you normally do. Like I said, I know people who literally don't do anything productive in the world, who literally live their life like a normal person, but people still come up on them, want to talk to them and act like they somebody when they not, and give them money. And it saddens the hell out of me because there's people in this on this world that is suffering for no reason, that got bad things happening to them for no reason. That's fucked up. You know, I hate that we live in a world where people feel like, oh, well, they're broke, that's their fault. All right, keep thinking that shit, man. That's what they want y'all people to think. And I bet you these same people begging for money on YouTube be the same ones being like, oh, those people are broke, that's their fault. Oh, let's make fun of them. I bet you. You can tell I'm frustrated. I mean, I don't care about making money off that. This was never my intentions. I already knew YouTube was not a good place to go and be. I already knew YouTube was no different than all the other bullshit we see in the world. I already knew that. But as you can see, these other YouTubers didn't. They thought this was the sweet treat. They don't even understand they're getting paid for nothing. And now they're brainwashed to really think this is a real job. And back to what I was saying. I think one of the main reasons why YouTube is starting to cut so many of y'all off is because a lot of y'all fell off with y'all views, and also because a lot of people are on here now. You know how everybody complaining about all the Instagram thoughts and that? Well, guess what? It's a lot of y'all on YouTube now that instead of wanting to go out and get a real job, y'all want to take other people's stuff and then come on YouTube and just live this free, easy life off YouTube. Just think about it. Because now, what made me come to this conclusion? Because I've been on YouTube making videos for about 4, almost 5 years. And I just thought about how many people have joined into this site since then. You know, that's probably one of the reasons why so many people's views are dropping off anyways. Because people realize you can get on YouTube, do some shit you like, or do normal shit and get paid large amounts of money. This ain't no damn job. This is a fucking come up. This ain't no job. And that's why they can just take y'all money away just like that. And then y'all get to bitching and complaining and acting like, oh, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Like, that's just the point. Notice how YouTube don't got to bitch and complain, because YouTube has sense enough to get an actual platform and business and make money off of it. Something that y'all are not doing. Y'all want to basically work for them, slave for them, to give them more money in advertisements just because you're being looked at for doing probably nothing. Oh man, and another thing I hate when people try to come at these YouTubers and you ain't even got to disrespect them. There's people out here that I come to them and tell them exactly what I'm saying. Like, look, man, this is not for you. This is not right. This is making you lazy. This is not. I mean, seriously, a lot of these YouTubers are getting lazy now. I mean, if you don't want to make no videos because you're not getting paid, that's a sure sign of a greedy person. Seriously. I mean, when YouTube first started, man, it wasn't about all this money crap. It was about attention and just showing people what you like. Now, YouTube, everybody got a Patreon. Everybody wants money. Everybody just wants to get paid for making videos. Again, this is not real work. Like I said, the only people who I feel like deserve a little piece of change is maybe people actually trying to educate folks and help the world, not these people out here just doing dumb stuff, shooting music videos and running their mouths and not talking about nothing and eating food and doing all the other goofy little stupid things that people do on YouTube that really don't deserve a dollar. Because like I said, that don't make no sense how people are getting paid for normal shit that they can do, while there's people out here who can't even get a job, who can't even get a view on YouTube, who just can't get it. It don't make no sense how a lot of the people y'all follow on YouTube is just spoiled ass people who basically got shit already, so y'all give them more shit. While the people hurting barely can make a video, y'all care nothing about them. Not even realizing if you were them, they wouldn't give a fuck about you. That's one problem I hate about people. People always act like they'll never be broke or they'll never be in the hole. Sometimes that's what it takes for you to wake up to reality and stop thinking that everything is gravy train and people are just supposed to give you money and you're not even doing anything really. People living good ass lives off YouTube, man. Good ass lives, yo. There's people out here, man, younger than me, living good ass lives on fucking YouTube, okay? That barely ever worked. And I'm not that old. Shit, I'm 29. While you work and toil. YouTube ain't nothing to have but what the world is. Encouraging people that life is unfair and nobody gives a fuck. YouTube ain't no different to me than supporting these celebrities. Like, why do people support celebrities for? They don't know you. They don't give a fuck about you. They won't help you. They ain't doing shit to help you. But for some reason, you want to give them all your money and you think they're better than you and they're worth it. That's dumb. Just like YouTube, why are you giving all these YouTubers all your money? They just ain't doing shit. Are they really helping something, doing anything? How about the real truthers on the internet? Their channels got taken off in a race because they're actually talking about real things. What about them? Instead of you other YouTubers that ain't doing shit, but y'all want to complain because y'all not getting paid, but y'all aren't even doing anything real to begin with. I mean, I was just sitting here like, wow. I mean, damn, y'all complaining. I mean, it's YouTubers out here that been paid for years that now the shit done hit the fan. Now they done turned into some little whining crybabies and they're mad because they can't be given things. I'm telling you, to me, that is one of the main reasons why YouTube is starting to say, cut, 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 cut. Because there's so many of y'all on here now. Like I said, just imagine in the past 5 years, I bet you then the numbers back then probably double, triple since then. So now you got all these people that's not trying to get into the workforce hopping on YouTube, or just invest or do something with your money. Fucking invest, do something. Nah, y'all want to get on YouTube and get paid from other people who probably do work. Another thing that kills me. It kills me how they always say, oh, this job is so hard. This job is so hard. But they never want to get a different type of job. It's so funny. It's like these people lie to themselves to try to trick y'all to give them more money. Ain't that some funny shit? Oh, this job is so hard. Making these videos are so rough. It takes up so much of my time. But you're not trying to do anything different or better. Like, if it's so bad, why don't you just find a new job, move on? It's so bad, but you obviously want to come back to making these videos doing what you was doing. Come on, man. You ain't playing nobody but yourself. And the people that's goofy enough to give you the money need to start giving it to real people, like I keep saying. I just can't believe Muzz out here complaining the way they is over ad revenue. I just can't believe there's people out here blowing their dough, living stupid lives off people giving them money, and they act like they somebody. All you doing is blowing these YouTubers' heads up, making they think they something that they not. You know, just imagine that. You ain't did crap really, but you getting hella money for it. That'll brainwash you to think you better than what you really truly are. You won't even open up your eyes and realize why you getting there and why it's happening. You will really just think you deserve it. Okay, YouTubers, keep thinking that. I had to rant on this a little bit because I'm tired of these people. I mean, it's just more and more of them coming out bitching and complaining like this stuff. Like, it's so obvious. Like, duh, they was gonna do this. Duh, come on now. It's too many of y'all hopping on here. Too many of y'all wanting that easy money. I don't care what none of y'all say. This is easier than a real job. So like the video, comment. I'm going to holler at y'all later, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Had to snap off on them because these mugs are exposing their greediness.